Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a feature on Instagram that you can use to help boost your reach for feed posts, and also for other types of Instagram content. The feature I'm talking about is the location tag feature. What is the location tag feature of Instagram? In short, the location tag basically adds a physical location to the photo, video, or other type of content you're posting on Instagram. It's the same as tagging yourself in a physical location on Facebook, such as a restaurant, gym, etc. According to Instagram's blog, 81% of people use Instagram to search for new businesses, products or services. Many of them will do this by location, especially when it comes to businesses such as hairdressers, restaurants, clubs or pubs, etc. Let's do a little search right now. I'm going to type in London restaurants. As you can see, I'm not being offered hashtag results. I'm being offered physically tagged location results. All of these results have been location tagged in London. If you have a business or brand based in London but you don't location tag your content there, you won't have a chance of being featured in those results. How to tag your location in Instagram feed posts. Start by uploading your feed post as you usually would. Enter the caption, throw your hashtags at the end, and then look at the top of the post, right below where your username and profile picture is. Click on where it says, Add Location, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can either type in the location you're looking for, or select one from the surrounding physical area, if you have location services turned on. You do not have to be in the physical location you're tagging, in order to tag the post there. I can share a post located in London even when I'm sat on the couch in Manchester. Once you've selected your location, you can proceed to post your content, as you usually would. Some advice. I highly recommend tagging pretty much every single one of your feed posts, and most of your other content too, with the location or locations that you're trying to target. Tag your shop's location if you have one, even if you're sat at home on the couch, many miles away, watching Coronation Street. Tag the town in which you mostly work if applicable. Tag the county or city, like London, if you don't have a physical location. Remember, people from all over the world can still find you with hashtags, keywords and other methods. Location tagging is just another tool in your arsenal, and one that can help you draw in people from specific places, such as the areas your business operates within. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.